We are back again inside a stadium project that is changing every single day. And today's update is getting more intense than ever because from the third-tier seating finally starting to appear, to the internal structure and luxury levels quietly taking shape, and the VIP ring moving into a completely new stage of development. Everything is progressing at the same time, and what you are about to see in this video are the exact changes that most people are completely missing. But they are actually defining how close this stadium really is to completion. Let's start with the compression ring, where everything is slowly coming together piece by piece. This is the core structure of the stadium, and from here we can clearly see how the entire system is being locked into place. Recent additions show that work is moving efficiently, with crews maintaining a regular installation cycle. The structure is now extending further toward the corner sections, making the overall ring more visible and defined. With more segments and radial beams already on site, the coming phase is expected to accelerate, bringing faster progress in completing this critical structural element. The third tier is progressing in phases, with seating steps already installed in some lateral sections, while other areas are still under preparation. In the south goal, crews are currently drilling and creating anchor points in the concrete base, indicating that step installation will begin soon. At the same time, outer edges are being completed with finishing slabs, showing that while some zones are taking final shape, others are still actively under development. Inside the stadium, structural work is advancing with the addition of a new intermediate level in the second tier, improving internal circulation and access. Corridors and gallery spaces are mostly defined, though finishing work is ongoing, while service areas are being formed using block walls. At the lateral corner, a significant delivery of structural components has arrived. Several radial beams are now on site, including 3 standard units and 1 smaller variation. These will play a key role in extending the compression ring. 2 new compression ring segments, or flanges, are also visible. The installation pace has been steady, with new segments being added approximately every couple of days. Near the mobility cores, new vertical supports for facade slats are being installed. Some sections, particularly in the mid-level areas, already have these supports in place. Work is ongoing to complete installations at both lower and upper levels. Once finished, this will allow full coverage of the facade across these transitional zones, connecting already completed sections and creating a continuous visual layer. In the upper areas, workers are seen operating near a piston system. This likely relates to structural adjustment or lifting mechanisms tied to ongoing installation work. While worker density here is lower compared to other zones, targeted mechanical operations are clearly progressing. In the central lateral section, cranes are actively moving temporary supports used for working at height. These structures are essential for upcoming radial beam installations. Although no new compression ring segments are visible here, worker activity continues, indicating preparation for upcoming structural placements. In the corner area, a pillar is being repositioned using crane support. Rather than immediate installation, it appears to be relocated for staging or preparation. Nearby, additional flanges and components are stored, ready for future installation. The logistics flow in this area remains active, supporting ongoing structural assembly. Workers continue installing horizontal guides across anchor points in facade zones. These guides are critical to ensuring proper alignment before slat installation begins. Measurements and adjustments are ongoing, confirming that this phase is focused on precision. No slats are installed yet in this section, but groundwork is nearly complete. The north goal is currently one of the most active zones, where the ceramic facade llamas are being installed at a steady pace using cranes. Several sections are already completed, while others are still being aligned and fixed into place. Supporting steel structures are also being adjusted, showing how this area is quickly moving toward its final exterior look and becoming one of the most visually complete parts of the stadium. What makes this section even more impressive is how fast the transformation is happening compared to the rest of the structure. Inside the structure, workers are installing vertical formwork panels, preparing sections for concrete pouring. A concrete pump is also present, although not always active. This indicates that structural interior work continues in parallel with external progress, maintaining balanced development across the project. Workers are applying anti-corrosion coating to exposed bolts and connectors. This is a necessary step before final painting. Once this protective layer is completed, the elements will receive their final black finish, ensuring both durability and visual consistency. Precast concrete panels and sandwich panels are visible on site, but have not yet been installed in this mobility core. Their presence indicates that installation is scheduled soon, and this section is likely to see rapid changes once panel placement begins. In several zones, welding work is ongoing on black beams and vertical supports. Sparks are visible from active operations, confirming structural adjustments and reinforcements. These works are essential for securing newly installed elements and preparing connection points for future additions. A previously inactive area near the diamond section has now been reactivated. Reinforcements that had been exposed for months are now fully enclosed in formwork. This confirms that concrete pouring in this zone is imminent, marking progress after a long pause. In the corner area, workers are drilling into the slab below the installed supports using a platform lift. The work focuses on fixing additional elements under the beam structure, while smaller components are also being placed below, likely for internal systems like cable routing or structural connections. The previously installed vertical supports are now mostly in place, and preparation for final connections appears underway. A black crane is present for lifting operations, with new structural pieces being moved toward the first cantilever level, showing continued progress in this section. In the Tribune section, steady progress is visible with multiple crews working on vertical supports using elevated platforms. Some connection elements have already been installed on the left side, while the right side is still in the preparation stage. Workers are also active on scaffolding, carrying out alignment and adjustment tasks. At ground level, machines and teams are operating together, showing coordinated work across the area. Overall, this section is moving forward consistently and being prepared for the next phase of facade installation. In the south goal upper section, multiple workers are active on elevated platforms, focusing on finishing tasks along the black structural beams. The work appears to involve applying surface material or treatment as part of preparation or protection. Visibility is slightly obstructed, but detailing work on the beams is clearly ongoing. Additional crews are working nearby with another elevated platform in operation. Machinery has been installed along the beam supports where sandwich panels will be placed. With the beams now fully positioned, this area is being prepared for upcoming panel installation, especially in VIP sections. Further activity is visible around the anchoring systems. Workers are tightening and checking anchor points across this section. Most anchors appear installed, and current work seems focused on alignment and verification rather than new installation. This strongly suggests that the area is being finalized in preparation for the next phase, likely the installation of facade elements such as ceramic slats. Once alignment is confirmed, this zone should be ready for rapid visual transformation. Concrete pouring is actively taking place in upper sections, supported by pumps and mixer trucks. This confirms continued structural development at higher elevations. In the final corner area, workers are cutting and welding structural elements. Vertical components are already partially installed, while additional pieces are being prepared and secured. New materials are also being lifted into the first cantilever level, indicating continued expansion of structural layers. Overall, the site is progressing steadily across all major areas. Structural work on the compression ring continues at a solid pace. Facade preparation is advancing toward installation, and interior construction remains active with formwork and concrete operations. The combination of material arrivals, ongoing installations, and preparation work across multiple zones clearly shows that the project is moving forward in a coordinated and efficient manner.